Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel NSR Info Technologies. So in today's session I'll be discussing with you these differences. What is order by, what is sort. So basically order by and sort, these are the different transformations which we have in our PySpark. Alright, so when do you use order by, when do you use sort? So basically these two, right, when you want to sort your particular data frame, so be it a particular file, you have a file or else a data frame, and on that particular data frame you want to sort this data frame either in ascending order or in descending order fashion, then you can make use of this order by or sort. So both are meant for the same purpose. So if you want to sort your data frame in whatever order you want, be it in ascending order or descending order, based on the single column, like if you want to sort only a single column, you can specify that single column. If you want to specify multiple columns, if you want to sort one column in ascending order, one column in descending order, you can work with multiple columns. So for that, what is the transformation which we will be using? We will be using either sort transformation or else order by. So both are meant for the same purpose, which is to sort in any of the fashion, be it in ascending order or else in descending order. Alright, so let us first make sure that your cluster should be up and running. So once your cluster is up and running, what you can do, so just create a data frame which is having something data like this, some similar data like this. So here I'm having employee related data. So this is nothing but the data related to the employee, and these are the different columns. So I have these many number of records and these many number of columns. Okay, so it is basically giving you the employee related information. Alright, so now what am I doing? I'm just creating a data frame. So how do you create a data frame? You have data, you have columns. So using the data and columns which you have, you can just make use of this syntax spark.create data frame. In that you can pass data and columns. So this is how you will be creating a data frame. So after creating data frame, I'm trying to print its schema. Schema is nothing but for any particular column, what is its data type. So if you want to know that information, you will just give this print schema wala option. And then if you want to display this data frame, what data frame is having, what is the data which it is present inside that. So for that you will be using data frame dot show. So let me just execute this one. So if you see here, firstly this data frame dot print schema will get executed. Here this is the data, these are the different columns and these are the respective data types. Fine, and this is the data which is available inside that particular data frame. Okay, so this is the data. Alright, so now let me take a screenshot of it. Okay. So now, right, you are using this sort function. What you can do, you can either sort it in ascending order or descending order. So if you see here, what is the method to use it? df dot sort. Okay, data frame, this is nothing but this entire thing is what? This is nothing but your df, which is your data frame. So employee df dot sort, and what are the columns on which you want to sort? I want to sort this particular department and this state. These two columns I want to sort it. Okay. So how do you sort it? You just give data frame dot sort, and what all columns, be it a single column or multiple column, whichever columns you want, you will just sort it. So just give the assign it, create a new data frame and display that data frame. So one option, if you see here, department and state have been sorted. So here you have not sent any fashion like ascending order or descending order. So if you do not specify any order, right, what will happen? By default ascending order it will be sorted. So these two particular columns will be sorted in ascending order wala fashion. So if you see here, this is my source, this is my data frame. So on these two particular columns I have tried to sort it. Okay, so if you see here, I have sorted it since I have not specified any order, ascending or descending. So it took this particular column and it sorted it in ascending order wala fashion. That means first finance will come, then marketing, later sales. Similarly state also. So first California will come, so inside the finance, right, first California will come and after that New York will come, like that. Okay, column wise it has sorted. So this is one way to sort it. What is the other way? This is the one. So let me just comment this one. because both will give us the same result. So that is why I have commented the first data frame dot show. And then this is another way to use it. So if you have if you want to sort it based on these particular columns, right, you have another syntax also, like directly also you can use it, or else you can also pass using the call keyword. Remember, this is the function which is present inside our PySpark SQL functions. So in order to use that, you need to import it first. So that is why I have imported it first. So once you import it only, you can actually work with it, or else it will throw you this call keyword is not defined bulk, it will throw you an error. Alright, let me execute this one. The result will be the same, only it's just approaches are different. Alright, so it has sorted in ascending order. This has also been sorted in ascending order fashion. So that is using what? Using sort as the transformation. Now let us work with order by. So both order by and sort are used to sort in descending order or ascending order fashion only. Instead of sort, you will be giving this order by. Okay, data frame dot order by, multiple columns you can pass it here, single column or multiple columns, creating a new data frame called as df3. You are trying to display it. So let me display. So if you see here also we are just trying to sort based on these two particular columns. So this is what your output will look like. So now let me just uncomment this one and comment this one. It's just that here we are using a call keyword and we are executing it. See, the output is same only. Okay, so now we have seen only the ascending order fashion we have seen. So now explicitly, if you want to define for a particular column, okay, if I want, there are multiple columns, out of which one column I want to sort in ascending order, one column in descending order, or else if you explicitly want to specify for this column, this is the fashion order. So how you will be giving it? You just give data frame dot sort and then data frame dot that particular column name and whatever fashion you want, you can sort it. So ascending order means ASC, descending order means DESC. Okay, so this is first column, this is the second column. I am explicitly specifying the order in which I want it to be sorted. Okay, just a dot show of this one will work, or else if you want, you can also delete this one. You can assign this entire thing to a data frame, and on that data frame you can just display. Okay, so let me just execute this one. See, the output is same. Output is same for all these because we are trying to sort it in ascending order. Here explicitly I am specifying it. This is the column which I want to sort it in ascending order. This is the column in ascending order. Okay, so now let me comment this one, uncomment this one and execute. This is also same, it's just that we are using a call keyword. Okay, so this is the output. Let me do the next one. Okay, so if you see here, these are using sort transformations. This is using order by. Okay, even in order by we have a call keyword. So using that call keyword which is present in our PySpark SQL functions, you need to import it before using it. Execute. Same output. Got it? Okay, so now let's see how to sort it in descending order. So here if you see, I want to sort department column in ascending order fashion, this one in ascending order fashion, and this state column in descending order fashion. Okay, so you can also do that explicitly. You need to specify beside the column name, you need to specify in which fashion you want to sort it. Execute this. See here, department has been sorted in ascending order and this state has been sorted in descending order. So that is why N came first, then CA. So for this particular window, what is that? New York comes first, after that California. Similarly, N comes first, after Alright, so state is in descending order. That means descending order means first N will come and then C will come. Okay, so that is what we are trying to do here. So after that, let me execute this one, comment this one, execute this one. So it is also same, just that we are using call keyword. And here what are we using? Control Z. Here instead of sort we are using order by. Okay, sorting department in ascending order wala fashion and state in descending order wala fashion. So all the three will give us the same result. It's just that in here we are using call keyword, here we are directly using the directly using that particular column name. So till now we have seen how to sort it in ascending or descending order using ASC or DESC. Now let us see the other keywords which also you can use along with the sort function. So what are those? ASC underscore nulls underscore first or ASC underscore nulls underscore last. So these two we can use it for ascending order. So you just specify the column name, and beside the column name, right, you can just specify instead of ASC you can give this function nulls first or nulls last. So for department I want to specify this ascending order, for state also in ascending order. So here, right, if you execute, what will be the output? It is similar, only instead of using ASC or DESC we can use this one. Okay, if you see here in ascending order, so both have been sorted in ascending order. Department is ascending order, state also in ascending order. And then DESC, let us see how this DESC works with. So instead of DESC we can work with DESC underscore nulls underscore first or nulls underscore last. So the moment you execute it, what will happen? This column will be sorted in descending order, this also will be sorted in descending order. See here, this has been sorted in descending, this also has been sorted in descending order. So instead of just using DESC you can use this particular method. Okay, so now the next one, just combination of it, this one in ascending order, this one in descending order. So these are the functions which we are using. Execute. So this will be in ascending order, this will be in descending order. Simple. Okay, so till now we have seen in normal data frame how to work with. Now we will see using SQL. So SQL means, when does SQL come into picture? When you are writing any kind of SQL query on a particular table, right, that is when this will come into picture. Okay, so now if you want to sort using SQL, what is the syntax? So you have a data frame, this is the data frame you have. So on top of this particular data frame you are creating a temporary view. That means you are creating a virtual table. What is that temporary table or virtual table called as? It is a employee. This is the name which I have specified. So on top of this table, this is nothing but it will be holding the same information as your data frame. Okay, so that employee also will be having the same records, same column name, same records. Even your data frame is having this one. This is nothing but your data frame. So just taking a replica of this particular table, what are you trying to do? You are trying with this particular syntax, create or replace temp view, you are trying to create a view. Okay, what is the view name? View is nothing but a temporary table only, but it is just a virtual one. So here this is the data which you will be having inside this particular table. Okay, this is the table name. So without having to use percentile SQL to change your language from Python to SQL, this is the syntax which you can use, spark.sql. So inside that just write your select query and then order by whatever column you want to order. Explicitly if you want to specify, you can specify ascending or descending. Just execute it. This will give you the output. So here what is happening, I am trying to sort this particular department table in ascending order wala fashion. So this I am sorting using SQL. Okay, so these are the different ways to use either order by or sort or ASC underscore nulls underscore first last. Similarly with DSC underscore nulls underscore first or last. That's it. I just hope you have understood today's session. Let me know if you have any doubts. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye.